Want to make your own Christmas cracker? Well, this resource contains everything you will need to make your own Christmas cracker craft. The first Christmas cracker was made over 150 years ago. Today, Christmas crackers are a traditional part of Christmas dinner. Have fun making your own Christmas cracker. You will need the Christmas cracker template, cracker jokes and cracker hat template, scissors, sticky tape, a ruler, felt tips and some string. Start by colouring in your Christmas cracker template. Once you have done this, you can then cut out your Christmas cracker. Make folds along all the dotted lines. This will help make it into a cracker shape. Down the middle of the cracker, you are going to make a line that will make it easier to pull the cracker. Do this by getting a ruler and putting it into the middle of the cracker. Open your scissors and drag one arm of the scissors down the ruler. This is called scoring. You may need a grown-up to help you with this. Now it's time to design and cut out your Christmas cracker hat template. Take one end of the hat to the other. You then need to fold the hat up so it's small enough to fit into the cracker. It's now time to choose a joke from the Christmas cracker jokes, or you could have a go at writing your own on the blank card. Cut it out and fold it up. If you want and you have a toy small enough, you could add this to your cracker, or you could even have a go at making your own toy out of modelling clay. It's now time to put the toy, hat and joke inside your cracker. Tape the tab which says 1 to the other end of the cracker. Do the same for the tab that's marked 2 and 3. Now using string to tie up each end of the cracker to stop things from falling out. And now your cracker is ready to pull.